Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. He's lucky he didn't get shocked. Now imagine how many complaints poured in when people realize he caused a blackout. When you're paid by the hour, how much longer? 33 service calls. Nobody knows. This guy is taking risks. No chaps, no eye or protection, no helmet, no steel-toe boots. He's lucky he's still in one piece. Skipping safety measures is asking for trouble. Holds bow bins took their sawing game to the next level. In 2022, they installed a cutting-edge Mirror saw frame, a game-changer for production. With fully automatic width adjustment, it can simultaneously cut 3 handles without manual repositioning. And it doesn't stop there. They've also added high-tech mirror machines for clamping, auxiliary carriages, riving knives, and pre-cutting. Watching this saw frame in action, it'll leave you speechless. Did you see that? Talk about a close call. But as they say, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And this guy, he was definitely ready. We all want a machine that's powerful, reliable, and easy to use, right? Well, Vermeer listened. The HG610TX checks all the boxes. It's got the muscle to handle any task, the intelligence to do it efficiently, and the durability to keep going, day after day. Check this out, this Conciergo is an absolute powerhouse. Look at how effortlessly it handles those massive Douglas, fir and grand fir trees. The active frame, C5 crane, and H8 head work together seamlessly, like a finely tuned machine. Less downtime means higher productivity, and more timber equals greater profits. Sure, it's a hefty investment, somewhere between $275,000 and $385,000. Picture the efficiency, feel the power. This is the Tiger Cat 2000 series shear, a revolution in North Florida's timber industry. Mounted on the rugged 7.2 Feller buncher, it takes productivity to the next level. Say goodbye to high maintenance costs and hello to better fuel efficiency and lower expenses, even in the toughest working conditions. Watch the raw power and precision of the EC210. Teamed up with the TIPO 1000 attachment, they take on stubborn stumps with ease. Right here in Kalanga, Gutland. This is stump removal, redefined. Fast, efficient, and nothing short of impressive. Wow, the Comtech Axter 8012 shredder is a beast. It's like a monster truck for recycling, chewing through mountains of material, turning waste into high-quality compost fuel. With a powerhouse engine and the ability to handle an insane workload, this machine is nothing short of impressive. Imagine this: you load a massive log, up to 21 meters long, into the Pezzolato TLA-15 TB900 and it does the rest. Cutting, splitting, cleaning, all fully automated. Think of the time you'll save, the energy you can put elsewhere. This machine is a game changer for anyone who values efficiency and hassle-free firewood production. Let me tell you, this Moz 6x6 is on another level. Effortless power, handling any terrain. For the toughest jobs, this is your machine. Simply incredible. Chainsaw warriors battling towering trees. It's like a modern-day Don Quixote, but with real giants. The Ponce Ergo Harvester, a revolution in forestry technology. Precision and power combined. Its active frame, with a unique hydraulic system, delivers superior stability on rough terrain. The C5 crane stretches up to 10 meters, capable of lifting a full 1,000 kilograms. Meanwhile, the H8 head, equipped with a high-performance saw unit, capable of felling trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter. We're all watching. Check out the reach on the WA450LL. Looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Reaching out, grabbing those massive logs, it's incredible. But you know what? Even this beast of a machine struggles sometimes. Just goes to show how powerful nature really is. That maneuver was executed to perfection. The driver displayed an exceptional understanding of the vehicle's dimensions, navigating tight spaces with impressive precision. The Tatra Phoenix, with its rugged V-plow, it's built for winter warfare, plowing through snow like an unstoppable force. It's a perfect example of engineering brilliance, proof that humans can master even nature's toughest challenges. Ever wondered how those massive logs get turned into the lumber we use every day? Well, here's a behind-the-scenes look. These powerful log handling machines are the unsung heroes of the sawmill, working tirelessly to keep production moving. And suddenly, you hit a stubborn stump. But with the FH20R Wood Stump Harvester, that's no longer a problem. It clamps down tight, a few swift moves, and just like that, the stump is gone. And with the robotic grinder, say goodbye to those last stubborn remnants. It's the ultimate tool for effortless land clearing. Looks like gravity was on his side. Remember safety first. You can always buy another chainsaw, but not another you. Tired of those ugly stumps ruining your property? The JD7730 and Rotor S Stump Cutter are here to save the day. This dream team makes short work of any stump, big or small, leaving behind a clean slate for your next project. Say goodbye to those eyesores and hello to a pristine landscape. Ever watched a professional logger in action? It's mesmerizing to watch. They assess a tree like they can read its thoughts, knowing exactly where it'll land keeps them safe and ensures the entire crew stays out of harm's way. Taking down a giant like this is no small feat. Exciting, absolutely. But let's be real, felling a tree this size is a serious undertaking. It's way more challenging and dangerous than most people realize. Safety should always be the first priority. Don't underestimate the Belarus MTZ 1000 to 121-point attractor. Its custom-built trailer and impressive agility make it a serious player in logging, proving that innovation and adaptability often outperform high-priced specialized equipment. Picture this: you've got a field full of stubborn stumps. Enter the Stump Puller 1720, a true powerhouse that rips them out with ease. But wait, there's more. The Savannah 12 takes over to level and prep the land, leaving it ready for your next big project. Watch closely. That Excavator's specialized grapple attachment is engineered for maximum gripping strength. It enables the operator to extract even the toughest root systems with minimal disruption to the soil. This level of precision reduces environmental impact while optimizing efficiency. Here we go again, the ladder and the chainsaw. What distinguishes a skilled trucker from an exceptional one? It's that quiet self-assurance, that deep understanding of the craft. They've mastered the road. They anticipate obstacles and react accordingly. They keep the industry moving, and they deserve recognition. Struggling to split thick logs? The Woodcracker is your answer. This rugged tool, forged from ultra-strong hardox steel, makes the job effortless. Available in multiple sizes for different machines, and even doubles as a chipper feeder. The DK, the H11D harvester, is a game changer for thinning and final felling. Its powerful engine, hydrostatic transmission, and articulated frame allow it to tackle tough terrain with outstanding precision and efficiency. But the real highlight, the operator experience. This harvester offers unmatched comfort and visibility, allowing operators to work at their peak performance. There's something special about watching humans and animals work in sync. It's truly a beautiful sight. These horses are clearly enjoying themselves, and their handler couldn't be prouder. It truly touches the heart. The Auto Split 630 is powered by a 20-horsepower Honda GX630 engine. A true workhorse, its innovative box wedge splitting mechanism ensures seamless log processing. Even the toughest wood stands no chance. Here's proof: this dense sycamore log, easily transformed into uniform firewood. Whoa! The Belfer 000C firewood processor is insane. It's got a massive 66 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine and a huge 66-inch Siemens circular saw. Can you believe? It's all controlled with just a single joystick. It even features a dump tray and a 16-foot swivel conveyor. This machine is a beast. The Ponce Ergo, a forestry legend built for rock-solid reliability. A 250-degree turning radius, an 11-meter crane reach, It dominates thinning and regeneration, even on steep slopes, thanks to its powerful winch. Productivity off the charts. This man is unbelievable. He makes cutting down trees seem effortless, but it's far from simple. People really need to realize that. He's handling this with surgical precision. It's like watching a doctor performing a delicate operation. Every cut has to be flawless, and he absolutely nailed it. No doubt about it. Taking on a massive redwood, no problem. Your trusty Husqvarna 371XP slices through it with ease. That's the power of a legendary chainsaw, now revamped for a new era, with a cutting length of up to 105 centimeters. Precision built for serious work. This saw is ready to carve history. Your history. What we're witnessing here is the result of skill, dedication, and craftsmanship. Look at how effortlessly he controls the tools. That's years of experience in action. This isn't something you pick up overnight. It's proof that patience and persistence always pay off. This is unreal. These guys are hauling timber down a mountain that looks like something out of an action movie. The focus, the skill, the sheer nerve, it's absolutely insane. Somebody give these drivers an award. Can you believe this? A DIY stump grinder, and it works just as well as a store-bought one. I know, right? It's impressive, but let's not forget the key thing. Safety always comes first. No matter how cool it is, making sure it's used safely is a top priority. From my experience, the Vermeer WC-300XL is top tier. With today's fuel prices, this chipper's efficiency is a lifesaver. It handles dense material effortlessly, and the replaceable wear parts save both time and money. No doubt, it's a solid investment. I don't think the phrase united we stand, divided we fall fits perfectly here. Alright, so you want to take down a tree? First things first, you need to know exactly where it's going to land. Don't get overconfident. Every tree has a mind of its own. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video amazed you. Your support keeps our creativity alive. Have you ever seen a machine that can produce 320 cubic meters of wood chips per hour? Well, feast your eyes on the Chippo 8010C, powered by a 780 horsepower Cat engine with a massive drum and energy-efficient design. Plus, it's mounted on a manned truck with an Epsilon crane, giving it an incredible reach, ready to supercharge your productivity. The otter is diligently working on cutting its tree, tirelessly putting in effort from morning till night without a moment's rest. It started as a perfect day for logging, but not so much for one lumberjack. Still, he pulled off an interesting tree felling job and gave us an unexpected tree somersault show. You know what's truly satisfying? Watching someone solve a problem with pure ingenuity. This homemade log splitter is a perfect example. Smart, efficient, and honestly, just plain awesome. Bet everyone watching wishes they had one of these. The Excavator SGM110 debarker uses a floating rotor system with pneumatic pressure plates and hydraulic rotor movement for precision log processing. This setup ensures efficient debarking of beechwood logs, handling diameters from 140 millimeters up to a massive 1,000 millimeters. Its advanced features, including a 5/6-blade cutter system and automatic lubrication, enhancing both performance and efficiency while ensuring easy maintenance. This is the Frontier OS-7, and let me tell you, it's an absolute powerhouse. This sawmill is compact, yet strong enough to handle any task you throw its way. But the best part, it's budget-friendly. For around $3,647, you can bring this beast into your workshop, turning logs into lumber like a pro. Check this out. This is the Tatra Phoenix 8x8, and it's an absolute monster. Look at that suspension. It's incredible this machine can climb anything. It can go anywhere, and the power, whoa, it'll leave you speechless. Just imagine sitting behind the wheel, taking on the world. This truck is built for adventure. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support keeps us going. This Tracker Tiglio ST130 is no ordinary sawmill. Not at all. It boasts a razor-sharp 13mm blade, a 168mm rimets built for serious log processing. With its electric guide saw and hydraulic lift, every single cut is clean and precise. Plus, the E0700 carriage, with hydraulic clamps and adjustable battens, makes handling logs effortless. Hauling timber is no easy task. It demands experience and expertise. These drivers maneuver rugged landscapes, operating heavy-duty equipment, ensuring a steady timber supply. Their skill is the backbone of the forestry industry, and they've earned our respect. Honestly, I don't think I could find a more striking image. A fully loaded logging truck, powering through the brutal winter terrain. Now, this is something worth watching today. I don't know about you, but I could watch these massive wood chippers run all day long. Something about watching logs vanish instantly. It's just mesmerizing. Check this out, a full video of insane chipper action. You won't be able to look away. Iterix Automatic. Wood lathes are revolutionizing wood turning. What makes them stand out? Accuracy and efficiency. Their CNC line is a game changer, featuring models like the CKI15 2500s and CKX613-16, equipped with cutting-edge technology, pneumatic loading systems, independent cutting gouges, you name it, the result. Flawless craftsmanship, whether you're making custom designs or handling small-scale production. The Woodcracker G-Series is more than a clearing rake. It's an all-in-one forestry management tool. By effectively processing logging debris, it promotes reforestation, enhances soil health, and reduces fire hazards. See that burning tree? It's done for. But it's also a serious hazard. Firefighters remove these fuel sources to help contain wildfires. It's like cutting off its lifeline. Fire control is all about strategy. Imagine this. Your property is covered with stubborn stumps. Then, an excavator arrives with a stump shear. Snap, just like that, they're gone. It's like magic but fueled by raw power. Looking for a peeler that's as smooth as the finish? It delivers. Say hello to Posh Leaks. This cutting-edge machine transforms logs seamlessly, boosting your efficiency and simplifying your workflow. Enjoy smooth operation, adjustable settings, and unmatched speed. With the Posh Leaks peeler, tedious log processing is a thing of the past. Welcome to effortless productivity. Now that's what you call a high-pressure situation. You've got a massive tree at risk, the blaze is raging, and time is running out. But these professionals stay cool, assessing the scene and making the right call. I know what you're thinking, whoa, those logs are about to roll right over me. But trust me, your instincts are deceiving you. Keep your foot on the gas, stay in control, and you'll be amazed at how smoothly you can handle it. Creating content at this level often comes with a serious cost, both to physical health and financial stability. It's a trade-off that deserves deeper reflection. Think this video delivered? Drop a 1 in the comments. Now let's see what's next. Need a stump cutter? One that makes your job effortless? The Vermeer SC1052 is exactly what you need. Equipped with Vermeer's cutting-edge system and powered by a 115 horsepower engine, clearing land has never been this efficient. And precision. This machine isn't just about speed. It's an investment in long-term efficiency. The DH system is a powerhouse, like a clam relentlessly chewing. It clears land effortlessly. Its ability to integrate with multiple excavators and carriers makes it a key player in any forestry operation. A large tree stump is professionally felled with skill and precision. Oh wow, this road is unreal. How do people even drive on this? These drivers are nothing short of incredible. Skilled foresters, with their deep knowledge of timber and expertise in safety protocols, are the ones best suited for handling these massive trees. It's all about precision, balancing respect for nature's forces with controlled human intervention. Fies Patrizio 200 Forestry Mulcher comes equipped with bite limiter, rotor tech, and durable carbide hammers. It takes land clearing efficiency to the next level. Mounted on the Antonio Carraro TTR 7600 tractor, it smoothly clears vegetation up to 15 centimeters in diameter with height-adjustable skids, counterblades for fine mulching. Now, meet Holly, but she's no ordinary horse. She's a Brabant Mare, and she just made pulling a 2-ton truck on a freezing winter day look like a casual stroll. Absolute elegance, wouldn't you agree? Tree removal don't take chances. Having a well-thought-out plan protects both you and your budget. Whoa, the Carlton SP7015 grinder is next level. It's massive, with a 70-inch cutting wheel, and it obliterates stumps like they're nothing. Did I mention it runs on a turbocharged diesel engine? This thing is an absolute beast. Seriously, check out the Carlton SP7015. You won't believe what it's capable of. Look, having skills is just the foundation, but there's more to it than that. Hidden dangers are always lurking. No matter how good you are, one mistake can cost you. The Sydney TB1000 Tree Shear does it all. It fells, sections, and clears trees effortlessly, with a 100-degree rotating head for unmatched versatility. It's lighter, more compact, and ideal for mini excavators and backhoes. Handles hardwoods up to 10 inches thick. Comes standard with a universal mounting plate. Wow, look at that massive load of timber. That skidder is putting in work. But I have to ask, is that a bit overloaded? What do you think? Is that even safe? Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.